Hello, my friends, and welcome to this morning stretch in bed. This is going to be a full body stretch to help you wake up and feel less stiff first thing in the morning. You won't need anything special for this, just your bed. So when you're ready, meet me in a child's pose. So to get there, if you're unfamiliar, we can start in an all fours position. Bring the big toes together to touch, taking your knees out wide and sitting your hips back. Slowly walk your hands away from you, inching, making your body as long as you can, and then allow your forehead to rest on your bed. Take a few moments to settle into the position. Find your first big inhale through the nose, and exhale out the mouth. 2 more just like that, inhaling to expand the body, and exhaling to release. Last one. From here, slowly walk your fingertips over to the left side until you feel a nice stretch along the right side of your body. One more breath in. Slowly walk your hands through center all the way over to the right until you feel a nice stretch along the left side of your body. Slowly walk your fingertips through center. And now I want you to press firmly into your fingertips, feeling a nice stretch along the sides of your arms, the sides of your back. Inching your fingertips forward ever so slightly if you can, seeing if you can make your body even longer. And release. From here, slowly shift your way forward, coming into an all fours position. Stacking your hips over your knees, shoulders over your wrists. Take a big inhale, lifting your belly button up. And as you exhale, bring your belly button over to the right side, down, around, over to the left, and then lifting it back up again. Almost as if you are hula hooping. When was the last time you hula hooped? Continuing just like this, go nice and slow here. Waking up the spine with some movement. One more in this direction, and then we'll switch and go the other direction. So we're inhaling, belly button lifts. Exhaling, belly button goes to the left, down, around to the right, and then back up again. Find one more just like that. And then meet me in your all fours position. Flat back, crown of your head reaches forward. Take a big inhale. Reach your right fingertips up toward the sky. And then as you exhale, thread your right arm through underneath your left, coming down onto your right shoulder. And when you get there, play around with, maybe you want to shift forward ever so slightly and then back. Or you could kind of move to the side a little bit, doing what feels good here for your shoulder. You're giving yourself a nice little massage. From here, we will slowly unravel. So left palm presses firmly into the bed. Inhale, reach your right fingertips up. Exhale, sit your hips back, reach your fingertips back, look back. Coming into some big arm circles here. Nice and slow, inhaling, exhaling, skimming your bed with your fingertips, reaching forward. One more like that. And then slowly, right hand comes to the bed. Let's do that on the other side. So we take a big inhale, left fingertips reach up. Exhale, thread your left arm underneath your right, coming all the way down onto your left shoulder. And when you get there, play around with what's feeling good. So maybe you want to kind of shift forward, or you could shift from side to side, or you could be still. It's up to you. Take another full deep breath in. And then as you exhale, press firmly into that right hand, coming all the way up with your left fingertips. And then big arm circles. Reach back, look back, sit back, and then reach forward. Take a couple of these at your own pace. Last one, inhale and exhale. Left hand comes to the bed and slowly come all the way over and around onto your butt. Bring your feet out in front of you, soles to the bed. Hands come behind you. You can put your fingers facing backward or to the side, depending on how your wrists are feeling today. We're going to find a chest opener stretch. So on your inhale, spread your collarbones. Open your chest, feeling an amazing stretch through all the front of your body, fronts of your shoulders. And you can hang out and be still here. You can add a very small shift and a sway from side to side. One more breath in. Slowly release. Now extend your legs out. We're going to stretch out the ankles and the wrists a little bit. So when you're ready, begin to circle your ankles, going one direction and then the other. And then see if you can add in a little bit of wrist mobilization at the same time. Can you hear my left ankle cracking? Oh, a couple more like this. Now finding some stillness just for a second here. We're going to point and flex the feet now. And open and close the hands. Again, just getting some movement into all of your little joints. One more like that. From here, bring your soles of your feet together. Now we're going to find a butterfly position. Knees go out wide. Play around with the position of your feet here. Make it a little bit easier. You can bring your feet away from you. Try to sit up as tall as you can. And neck stretch. So we're going to just take the right ear towards the right shoulder. Feeling a nice stretch along the left side of the neck here. Pause just for a second and then come up through center, left ear to left shoulder. Just going from one side to the other at your own speed. Last one. Sit up nice and tall. We'll end with some cactus arms, one of my favorite stretches. On your inhale, reach your fingertips up. And as you exhale, squeeze your shoulders down and back, opening through the chest. 2 more like that. Inhale to reach. Exhale, cactus your arms. And 1 more inhale. And exhale. Go ahead and extend your legs out long. Give everything a little shake out. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and I will see you again soon. Bye.